guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry guys, I've been away for such a long time because I have a lot of things to take care of, like losing weight. And I'm so sorry I haven't took you to the journey of me losing weight and healing in a way. So guys, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to lose weight as well, so please don't you go anywhere. So guys, let's just get into the video. The first tip that I have for you to lose weight is to just drink a lot of water. Make sure you drink a lot, as lots of water. Yeah, make sure you drink a lot of water. And another tip that I have for you, drinking water guys is so important. I know that you have heard the concept of drinking water over and over again, but it works and it can also help you with your skin. So the other tip that I have for you is to keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy doing things that you love, because if you're not busy, you're gonna get bored and you think about food and you end up eating more. So the other tip that I have for you is to plan. Have a motivation, have something that is gonna motivate you, or someone that's gonna motivate you to actually lose the weight. And it actually works. At first I thought I'm not gonna do it, and then I said, you know what, let me just try. And you know so my motivation, where I got my motivation from, this girl Megan Markot was is this lady. As I have said guys, drink a lot of water, keep yourself busy. That will help you to lose the weight and have a self-motivation. Don't doubt yourself. You're gonna do it. Even if you are hundreds and something pounds overweight, 600 overweight, you can do it. You can do it. Just change the way you think, the way you set your mind, and it is possible. You're gonna look like a bad bitch. You're gonna look pretty. And yeah, so, and that's just the tips that I have for you guys. Drink water, don't think about food. Cut down the food, minimize the amount of food that you take in every day. You're gonna lose weight. Make sure you choose the right healthy food. You're gonna lose weight. So in my next video guys, I will just basically telling you what to eat and how to eat and the time. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love you.